The biggest mistake you're making if you're learning SketchUp is that you're using the Pro version of SketchUp. This is crazy because the answer of, or the problem is in the name. SketchUp Pro is not for you as a beginner SketchUp user. And this is critical because the main reason you want to learn SketchUp is to, and obviously eventually become a pro, but the biggest problem is that you're going straight to the Pro version when you shouldn't be. There is a web version, the free version of SketchUp that you can learn without paying for SketchUp, and it's actually designed to be more simple, easier to learn, and everything's set up for you. So why? Well, I know why. Most people think that it's because the name Pro suggests that it's going to be the better thing to learn, but it's the biggest mistake you're making. And I'll tell you why. Because firstly, you feel pressure because you've paid for it. You feel pressure to get good at it. And that pressure is an underlying overwhelm that pushes you that you should be learning it faster, or you should have understood this concept by now, or you should be able to use it because you've been practicing for 2 weeks. That's not true. It's because you invested in a high value CAD program, you've got this pressure that you don't need when you're learning. And so it's the one thing you don't want to invest in is the Pro version of SketchUp yet, because the one thing you want to do is learn how to use SketchUp and then invest in Pro. Which takes me to layout. SketchUp layout is something that comes with the Pro version of SketchUp. And that is not what you need if you're an interior, if you're a beginner in any SketchUp or learning SketchUp. And obviously, in my course, I teach interior designers to learn SketchUp from the beginning. And SketchUp layout is a big problem for beginners because you don't need to have the worry of scale at this point. You don't need to learn scale and importing models into viewports. This is not what you need to learn when you're a beginner in SketchUp. You need to learn how to draw. You need to learn how to draw in 2D and in 3D. And that is all you need to do as a beginner in SketchUp. And so when you're using the Pro version, you automatically think that you need to do all of this stuff, that you need to, learn SketchUp quickly so that you can start presenting it in layout. You can present 2D and 3D CAD information in a multitude number of ways. You do not need SketchUp layout to present information. So especially not as a beginner of using SketchUp. A quick interruption to let you know that inside Into Design, I teach SketchUp using the free web version, starting in 2D so you actually understand how to draw as an interior designer before moving into 3D. So if you want a course specifically for interior designers, come and join us. Let's have a look at the way SketchUp Pro is set up as opposed to the free web version. They are set up completely differently. And I think this is to your benefit to actually learn SketchUp on the free and web version. Because, for example, all of your menus, which are around on the Pro version, you have to set that up. On the free version, it's already there. And it's actually designed, because it was designed 10 years, or at least I think it was 15 years after, or 12 years, I think, the original SketchUp was created. It's designed much better. So it's designed in such a way that, it's clear. Because SketchUp, I don't know if you know the history of how SketchUp, it used to be owned by SketchUp, well, actually it was, I've forgotten who originally created it, but then SketchUp Google bought it, and then now Trimble owns it. But I learned SketchUp when Google owned it. But the process of how SketchUp evolved is it was added to bit by bit. And then, then they added, let's add the Mac version. The Mac version in Pro is different to the PC version in Pro. Whereas the free version of SketchUp Web is the same for everyone. And so you can see here how this can become really confusing when, oh, okay, well, that's not the same, shortcut in Mac as it is to PC. And so you need to buy, or learn a specific version. And that's just too complicated for a beginner. Why do it to yourself? It's so unnecessary. When the free version, the web version, is so fantastic. It's got icons and the menus where they should be in a very simple layout that is that really helps you understand and learn the program. It's made to learn. And I think this is what's obvious to me is not obvious to most people because I suppose they haven't been using SketchUp for as long as I have, but also, there's a lot of good sales techniques out there to get you to, buy the Pro version and then buy a course on the Pro version, then buy the layout course, and then you don't need all of that. You just need to learn to draw in 2D and in 3D right now as a beginner SketchUp user. Especially, obviously, my niche is interior design. So if you're working in interior design, why would you also do a course on the SketchUp Pro version where you're building something that you're never going to build? So what I teach is, first of all, how to draw a 2D layout, which is what you need to do as an interior designer or an architect. You want to actually learn how to draw in 2D in SketchUp, which no one teaches because they go straight to 3D. And then all of a sudden, you skip a very important part of the learning process of, and also a skill that you need as a designer. And then you're learning then it's actually so easy once you've mastered 2D, it's so easy to go into 3D. And all of a sudden, when you put that into perspective, the reward is so much greater because you've just drawn in something very flat. Then as soon as you start to learn another skill, which is orbiting and maneuvering in 3D, you don't have to learn all of that all at the beginning, because maneuverability in SketchUp or any 3D program, because obviously I know multiple CAD programs, is one of the most difficult parts of any 3D CAD program. And so once you simplify learning how to draw, so how I do it is I separate learning how to draw to separate maneuvering. And that makes it so much easier because most programs or even courses in learning SketchUp Pro, you're learning to orbit and draw at the same time, and obviously overcomplicating the whole process of learning the layout of the program, which you don't need because it's all done for you in the free version. So that just makes it so much easier when you're learning, the 2D and then the 3D, whereas most people learn 3D and orbiting and all of these other things and then try and go straight to presenting and scales and complex presentation techniques you just don't need right now as a beginner in SketchUp. So if you're interested in having a real easy way of learning SketchUp, have a look at our SketchUp for Beginners course on interior design.